In my latest video, I was asked about vowel pairings, so I thought I would start off with this video, part 1, with the letter A and combine it with all the different vowels in Finnish and kind of go through how they are pronounced. So maybe when you come across vowel pairings with the letter A, it will be easier for you to pronounce them, hopefully. So firstly, I'm going to start with the letter A. So we're going to pair A with everything, with A being the front letter, of course. So then in later videos, I'll do the rest of the vowels. So just short and sweet lessons, nothing too overwhelming. So yeah, let's start with A, E, A and E, A, E. So A and E together is I, A, E, I. And a word that would combine both of these vowels side by side would be, like from my snow video, the word for hail, rae, ra, e, I, ra, e, rae, I, rae. And then next we have A and I, A and E, A, E, I, I. Just together, AI, when you say it like I, it actually is kind of like the ouch of Finnish. So when you're like I, it means like ouch. It's like the exclamation for when you get hurt. In Finnish it would be ai, ai, a, I, I. And then other words that would have this would be, for example, hai, so shark, hai, ha, I, kind of like the English hi, hi. It's the same kind of pronunciation. Hi. Another word would be, for example, paita, meaning shirt. Paita, I, paita, 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 I, paita. Okay? And then A and O, I couldn't honestly think of any. Finnish people, let me know in the comments if you can think of any combination, but the only combination of A and O, A-O, A and O, A was Mao. As in the dictator from China. Mao. Ma-o. Not the best example, I suppose, but it was honestly the only like sort of Finnish, very loosely, word I could think of. Ma-o. Ao. And then we have A and U, A and U, A, U, ow, ow. That's another kind of like for ow. Ow would be another kind of exclamation for getting hurt. Oh, oh. But I think I might be a bit more. I. It's, at least for me, it comes out more naturally than oh. But that is another exclamation. But for an actual word you would use this in would be, for example, auto, meaning car. Auto, 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 auto. Or sun, which is aurinko. Aurinko, au, aurinko, 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 sun. Then we have A and Y, A and U, AU, which again, I couldn't think of a single word that in Finnish that would combine A and Y together. Au, AU, au. I think these are ones that don't go together. If you watch the vowel harmony video, there are certain vowels that don't coexist because it's extremely hard to pronounce. A and Y is one of them. Au, 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 au. It's very hard, and I don't think there's any words that would combine those. Same for A and A and A and A and A. See, it even takes me a moment to like try and think of how one would say that. A, ya, a, and then finally we have the classic double A, ya, a, which words would be, for example, like sata, where the double A is at the end. Sata, sata, sata. Sata, sata, meaning raining, raining. And then another one would be maata, M-A-A-T-A, maata, or just ma, which is like ground or earth. Ma, maata is to lay down. Ma, maata, maata, maata. Yeah, so that would be I, au, au, I, and aw. Hopefully that gives you a bit more clarity into the vowel pairings, including A as the first letter. Part 2 will be with E as the first letter, so look forward to that. And I guess that just about concludes this video, so until next time.